is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So y'all, this was a little bunny frame. On the bunny frame, it's wrapped in little pip berries. And it's one of those things that Parker picked out and I get to figure out. So let's start with a bow. So I am actually going to start with this blue one on the very bottom. We're going to get a nice little 8-inch tail. It's going to be way too long, we'll have to trim it down. We're going to do about a 5.5-inch loop. Alternate to another color. Yeah, it's like a steel blue almost. So in this one, all of the little pip berries are cream, pink, blue, yellow, and a green color. Get a little pipe cleaner around it. Get it tied off. Okay, now I've been trying to decide where we were going to put this. And I feel like the only real answer is down here on his side. Because you don't want to add it up here. That would be way too big. But down here, wrap it into your grapevine to where your bow is sticking out like this way. All right, then we're gonna take our greens. And I'm gonna work these greens under the bow to make sure that it's good and supported. So I've got one coming out the bottom. We'll get one coming out the top. So this way, it looks more like your little bunny is just hanging out in front of like a little flower bush or something. And not like the flower bush trying to eat his head. Get a little glue on that piece. Let's get one more of these. And then this one I'm gonna cut into smaller pieces. Y'all, we're gonna take these smaller pieces and we're gonna glue them inside our bow. So if you glue in between your bow, you're just gonna lift up your ribbons and you're gonna glue right directly into the little crease. Hold that for a second. All right. Trim this piece down. And I'm going to use this piece to go out this way from our bow. It's just missing a little something right down here. Do I ever stop working? Not really. But whenever you love what you do, is it really working? Just a simple little bow with one little green sprig in it. And it's perfect for a small space.